Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download the saved game data on your PlayStation 4 for your games. So I have a few games on my home screen right now, and I want to go ahead and get the campaign data. So I deleted these games at one point in time, like Battlefield 4. Now to do this, I want to press Options on the applications. Then I will have this option right here, Upload/Download Save Data. So if I select this on my system storage, I can see all the saved data, but it's going to be a little bit different than my online storage. So I have a file in here from 2021 at 5:10 p.m. So I can download this saved data. So let's go to Download All, and we'll download from my PlayStation 4 online storage now. So we're downloading it, and I can go to Apply to All. It says, do you want to overwrite the saved data? We can do that. So I'm going to go to Yes. And I'm going to do that multiple times. So I did delete Battlefield 4 at one point, and I should have my saved data on here for my campaign now. So if you deleted it and you want to go ahead and get your information back, that's an easy way to do it. Otherwise, you can go up to Settings right here, go on down until we get to Application Save Data Management. Then we can go to Save Data in Online Storage, and then we can go to Download to System Storage, and we can find the game under here as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.